Hi Yarnish friends, welcome to my cozy crochet corner. Today we're going to stitch two different beautiful daisy flowers. They are in two different sizes with different patterns. The materials I've used are Aliza cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. So grab your yarn, the favorite hook, and let's dive in. For the bigger daisy, make a magic ring and chain 2. This chain 2 is not considered as one stitch. I'm going to have a half double crochet into the ring. For half double crochet yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Making another half double crochet yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. Now I'm having 2 half double crochet. Continue until you have 16 half double crochet. 5, 6 and 16. Close the ring. Insert the hook on top of the first half double crochet. I don't need the 2 chains. This is my first half double crochet and slip stitch. For a slip stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, and pull this loop through the loop on the hook. And this is a slip stitch. Now you can fasten off and use another color for the flower. Round 2, join your yarn into one of the stitches. It doesn't matter which one, just join it and create 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip the first chain. Look at here, this is my first chain after the hook, and into the second chain make a single crochet. For single crochet, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 2 loops. This is a single crochet. Into the next chain make a double crochet. Insert the hook, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and pull through the last 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Into the next chain, make a treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over twice. Then insert the hook into the next chain, pull up the yarn. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is a treble crochet. Another treble crochet into the next chain. Double crochet in next chain, and single crochet into the last chain. This is my first petal. Go back onto the circle and slip a stitch into this next stitch. And repeat the same pattern for the other petals. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip the first chain, single crochet into next chain, double crochet into next chain, treble crochet into next, treble crochet into next, double crochet into next, and single crochet into last chain, in fact, and a slip stitch into the next stitch. So continue this pattern, and at the end you have to have 16 petals. Here I'm having my 16 petals, and I'm going to finish my last petal by slip stitching into the first stitch. Now fasten off, and you can hide the tails on the back side of the flower and use your hands to shape the petals. Let's crochet the smaller daisy. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 1, 12 single crochet into the ring. For single crochet, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet. Continue doing single crochet into the ring until you have 12 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. This is my first single crochet, and for a slip stitch, insert the hook into this first stitch, pull up the yarn, and pull this loop through the loop on the hook and fasten off. Join the yarn into any stitch. It doesn't matter which one. For example, here I'm joining it here and chaining 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip the first chain, single crochet into the second chain. Half double crochet into the next chain. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into next chain, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Double crochet into next chain. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops. This is a double crochet. So I'm having 1 single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Double crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next chain, and single crochet into next chain, which is my last chain, and a slip stitch into next stitch on the yellow part. This is my next stitch, slipping stitch, and repeat this pattern in the same way, creating petals, chaining 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip the first chain, single crochet into the second chain, half double crochet into next chain, double crochet in next 2 chains, half double crochet in next, single crochet in last, and slip stitch into next stitch on the circle. So repeat this pattern, and at the end you will have 12 petals. At the end, slip stitch into the first single crochet. We created the first petal right here and fasten off. And fix the petals by hand. And this is my daisy flower. Thanks for stitching with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love so more yarn lovers can join us. Until next time, happy crocheting!